Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my spring stitch markers from Ellie, and I thought we'd go through them all at one time. Surprise! So, why don't we get started opening them all up? They're not numbered, but I'm going to go ahead and start opening them up and showing them to you. This is kind of exciting. So, first, we have the ring that holds them all. Very spring. And let's get started. I love the paper. Oh, it's a bee on a hive. So let's get started. Okay. So the first one is a butterfly. I'll do a few before I start putting them on the ring. And then we have a flower. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. Oh, it's beautiful. That's a bigger butterfly. I like that. And the next one is a butterfly. Okay. Don't pay attention to my nails. I need to repaint them. Oops. Alright, this one's very pretty. Look at the flowers on that. I love that. Alright. This one is a flower. I love the way she packages these. Oh, how cute. It's a bumblebee. Alright, and this one is a flower. And I love the cardboard they stick to. Oh, that's probably my favorite so far. An umbrella. Let's get these out of the way. Sorry, Pusheen. Let me unhook them real quick so I can get some of these out the way and hooked on. Sorry I'm taking so long. Okay. Pick up my clippers here. And I'm grabbing the first clip. And in no particular order, I'm hooking them on. This big butterfly would make a great bag pull. I really think so. Just dropped the umbrella in the floor. I got them started. we'll start on the next section. Let's get started. That's very pretty. It's got a bee on it. Figures I would drop one. Oh, how cute. Ladybug. That's adorable. This is a flower. I apologize in advance for the length of the video. Oh, these are pretty. Look, I like that. It's got a flower. And then, oh, it's got a little confetti stuck in it. Flower confetti. And these are pretty. I love the bright color tissue paper. Oh, more flower confetti. Oh, how pretty. Ellie does such beautiful stitch markers. I can stop. I didn't do a good job stopping it. I like the color. How pretty is that? I don't know if any of you noticed. Are you noticing the back of the cards? Showers, raindrops. It's got some bees on it. And I'm loving these. Dragonfly. That's cute. Alright, I'm going to stick them on my clip real quick. I love collecting stitch markers. I'm terrible about it. But I guess it doesn't take up as much room as yarn. It's also nice to change them out every season. Gives you something different to look at. Alright, so we got all those. And now, okay, those are all on. And now we get to switch to the next clipper. Okay, here's another pretty one. Oh, this is so cute. Look, it's a little toadstool. That's adorbs. That's adorable. And there's another one with little stickies. Oh, how pretty is that? Look, it's a little flower. That's pretty. Alright, there's two. Oh, We are almost done. Yay. Oh, there's a real pretty flower. There we go. We'll put these on this clip. There's one. Two. Three. And now we're on the last one. Last clip. Last few. Oh, how pretty. That's very pretty. That's very pretty. I like that. That one. And the next one is got a big flower. And it is a flower. It's my color. And the last one. That's super pretty. And again, it's my color. Alright, I'm going to put these on the last clip. And I'll hold them up. There we go. And there they all are. There they all are. I love this. I love the way that they're held together. And in a couple of my bags, I have a thing that this clips right onto and holds all these beautiful, colorful stitch markers. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much, Ellie. These are amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.